Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a brand account on YouTube. Alright, let's get started. So over here you can see I have this YouTube channel, and this is our brand account of my main YouTube account. So here, if you click on Google account, here you can see this is the main account, whereas this another Digital Digest is, and this is the main account, and the other one which I showed you is a brand account. So here what you have to do is click on settings, and then once you click on settings, what you have to do is go to the option where you can see you have this our channel. So next what you have to do is you have to tap on the advanced settings, which is on the bottom left hand side. So here you can see the option for advanced settings. What you have to do is click on this advanced settings, and once you do that, here when you scroll down you can see the option for delete channel. Click on the delete channel, and here you have to sign in with your password. So once you enter your password over here you will be able to delete your YouTube channel. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to delete brand account on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.